Thank you very much. Tuko Bomet East, mahali inaitwa Kiptobit Chepkesem, na leo tuko na furaha kwa sababu tumeweza launch barabara ambayo inatengenezwa. This is a new road. We are opening 5 kilometers, na tuko na furaha kwa sababu hii machine unaona imesimama huku ni an equipment ambaye ilinunuliwa na county government ya Bomet. And in addition to that, we have also purchased other heavy equipment that is yet to be launched by our deputy president, maybe in the next 1 week or so. Hii machinery itaenda to our 5 sub counties. The reason why we are investing in this machinery ni ili tuweze kupunguza gharama ya kutengeneza barabara. Of course, we will not run away from engaging contractors to do road for us, but I think for us to move fast, then we need to invest in our machinery so that what we will just be doing is facilitating in terms of fuel. So that's what we are doing. So this machine, this dozer will open 5 kilometers, and thereafter we'll have a contractor who will come and do the final touches of finishing and maramming the road. So tuko na matumaini mingi kwa hii mwaka ya pesa 2023-2024 we will be able to open up roads. As much as we are talking of development, unless we facilitate our people in terms of having good roads so that produce from the farms can get to the market, then yes, our farmers will be producing, but they cannot access markets, not because the markets are not available, but because they cannot move their products from the farms. So that is one area that we'll be focusing in, as much as we'll be encouraging our farmers to produce. But as a government, I think we have a responsibility to ensure that we open up roads all the way to the villages. You can see this is a new road, in fact, since the creation of the world and humanity, this is the first time that this place is sensing something that looks like a machine. And personally, I'm very happy. Otherwise, tuko na furaha, and we want to promise the people of Bomet that this financial year 2023-2024 ile barabara itafanyika haijawahi onekana dunia hii. Okay.